focusing on the volunteer expansion and also all those youth of the Kerala state and the first time voters so that they can participate in the political activities of Aam Aadmi Party. And the vision of Aam Aadmi Party, the good governance model of Arvind Kejriwal, we are going to localize that at the grassroots level. We are going to strengthen that, and we are going to have the public dialogue from the highest hierarchy to the lowest level, so that we can tell them how Aam Aadmi Party started with a dream of clean politics, started with the politics of the honesty and the integrity, and then we are going to think that how we can strengthen Adi and also focus on the how the local leaders can move in the coming times. And also it was so inspiring to see the dedication, sincerity and the energy and the passion of the local leaders and the volunteers.
And party have any planning for increasing number of individual candidates in Kerala?
See, we are very positive for the upcoming local body elections, and it is the top leadership and the PSC which will decide that how and when we are going to contest the election. Our main focus is how we can strengthen the organization level and the group level at present.
Please introduce.
I'm Dr. Shelly Oberoi, the ex-mayor of Delhi, and recently the Arvind Kejriwal ji, our national convener, has given me the responsibility of being the Prabhari of Kerala State.
Mayor of Delhi, a dedicated leader who joined AAP in 2030 to become Delhi's first unified NCD mayor. This runner has already gone into history for championing a cleaner, vibrant Delhi. A PhD scholar from IGNOU,
വളരെ വിലപ്പെട്ട കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം
Zindabad!